What's going on, guys? How are we all doing? South Wales Valley powerhouse, something to do with the miners, not exactly sure what it is. It's pretty badass for architecture, that's all I'm going to say. Have a little look around. How damn cool is this? Reminds me so much of the place up in Scotland that we did. Just pick my bag up as I roll. You see, look at all these little shafts going down to rooms and access panels. Literally one doorway into the joint. It's quite dark on the GoPro, but as you can see, that's your way in, that's your drop. Let's take on a little look. Some nice old tile, proper, I want to say Victorian style. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool down in there, mind, isn't it? Some deep water as well for you. Just want to get down there. Definitely. Just watch where you're walking. Oh yeah, look at the old crane and stuff as well. J. Bruce, engineers, Rodley, Neil Leeds. This is cool. Very cool. Just that's literally, guys, I know it's hard to make out, but that is literally full of water. I wonder in the summertime though, does that dry out? In the summer, does that dry out? She bored it up. Nice old door. Just look at that, guys. Tell her what I'm going to do. Switch over to my big torch so you can experience this. As promised, we're on the big torch. Literally, because this little archway here is too good not to see. Old windows, man, this would have been so cool if it was bricked up. Look at them old lights. Real industrial vibes. So just gotta watch me walking everywhere in here. What I'm trying to do now that I've got the torch on, guys, literally just want to light this up for you down here so you can just see how flooded the place is. Just check that out. Jeez. Awesome. Someone's lost their football, bless them. Damn cool. But yeah, that's near enough all you're going to see in here in this big shell. But it's worth a look, guys. Enjoy it, and I'll catch you at the next one.